lives one of the strangest creatures on Earth. The axolotl never fully grows up. Unlike most amphibians, it keeps its underwater form for its entire life, almost like a permanent child of the aquatic world. But what truly shocked scientists is its ability to regenerate. An axolotl can regrow damaged limbs, parts of its heart, its spinal cord, and even sections of its brain. Scientists are still studying this tiny creature, hoping its biology could one day help human medicine. Cute on the outside, but biologically extraordinary.